beautiful people. This is your one and only lady. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My bonga people, today's topic now about this deportation wey dey happen for Germany ever since. Like the thing even shockalize me. You know, some people they say they no dey deport again because of this Okoro wey happen that day. They say they no dey deport again. They don stop. I wan let our Nigeria people know today say they still dey deport. Oh, they dey deport. Mona not just like that. Maybe they don't give una paper say Mona come comot. Now say no, they no dey deport again. Na lie. Oh, they still dey deport. Deportation still dey go on, my people. They just deport woman wey get three children for Germany here. Una know one wey fit happen that time now. But people feel say they don't stop. They say because of this Okoro wey dey happen, say they no dey deport again. Na lie. Oh, they still dey deport, my people. Oh, they still dey deport. Like when I see this one, I shockalize. I say so this thing still dey happen. When I see her for this woman platform, German lady, I say, so does it mean say this thing is they go on? I just say maybe they not they deport again because of wetin happen. I don't know, say na lie, say they still they deport. So my darling people, I say I can't tell you now in case they send you letter, because I know say those before they deport you, the offenders send you letter, say warn you, say may you come out, so they not grant you, but some people go still stay. You go say because it already they not they deport because of this virus where they happen. Na lie. Oh, they still they deport, like seriously. They deport a woman with three children. The person wey even know them when a German lady call am, I remember play so small for inside Mona Lusten.
Thank you as you pronounce it. What did the man do? Thank you very much for calling, darling. God bless you. Yeah, no, welcome. So that man, he don't pay for it. He's going to about 8 years or 7 years. For years. Okay, what's it mean they go carry our both children? Yes, because they take him back to the corner. Oh.
Well, yeah.
They let him back. And the man, they come here, any time when they come to carry her. They sent everything for us. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, now, anyway, since you say not the loan, but the man, they say you get money for bank for here. You know, we can't collect the money. Okay, so let me say we don't need to worry, okay? I get this thing. No, you know what? It's supposed to pity the children. Anyway, I don't want to. At all. No matter the business where you say get. The future. Nigeria will work all day. How the children will see? Because it. Even the people where the politicians children for Nigeria, they send them come abroad go school. You born your own for here, you pack them go Africa, 3 children. Why can't they complain there? I don't know like that. Thank you, Jerry. You don't go now.
My people, when I hear what this lady will say, he know the man talk. He say the man, they don't first send on paper because no say Germany not the carry deport person like that. They first said that paper say make it come out. You understand? This man, he just say I beg anything won't happen because they say he don't save small money for Nigeria. So because of that one, he can't just sit down so that if anything won't happen, make it happen. My darling people, make we not dey use our hand dey cause problem. Where you dey take, you know they put, my dear. Now go na e dey. Now go na e dey. You dey take, you know they put for there. You just feel say you just feel they take money like that, you know they put for there. No, you go finish. So this man, I deport his children because he know already say they want deport am. So as you know, you're not supposed to stay. You're not supposed to stay. Why you go stay? Until when the deportation will come. The man not do well at all, eh? He not do well. He children in future, everything. He just spoil everything with your hand. So me, sha. Una own dey una body. Where? You go deport your children because say you get small thing for Nigeria. What do you get? You don't finish. So my people too na here say now the man na he deport his children by himself. Not be saying a person. Now police don't already tell them say if they not go grant them. So they supposed to come out. So since he not come out, he stay. So now he deport his children by himself. So my own people, I say man tell them, I say they see the deportation, say they go on no. Not be say you go say deportation not dey again oh. They not the deport na lie oh. They still they deport, like seriously they deport. So may you know by yourself, say that they deport, so not be say you go sit down like down, like say nothing. They still they deport. So now say I can't tell you my darling people. Thank you everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. Thank you. Share this video so that people can hear.